Module 2. The 4 steps involved to perform a haircut and beard trim. It is important to note that all haircuts and beard trims follow the same rule and structure. The hair length on the sides and back of the head is shortest in hair length, and it gradually gets longer in length approaching the corners and top of the head, and the middle of the head being the longest in hair length. The same is true with the beard. The sides are shortest in length, and it gradually gets longer in the jawline area, and the chin area is the longest in hair length. As an easy guide to follow, the sides are shorter, the corners are slightly longer, and the middle area is the longest. Now let's look at the 4 steps involved in a haircut. Step 1, the fade, using clippers with guard attachments. Step 2, blending corners into the top of the hair, using clipper over comb technique or scissor over comb technique. Step 3, cutting the top with scissors, using scissor over finger technique. Step 4, outlining around the ears, neck, and back of the neck. And if necessary and the client requests, we do the front outline as well. And we can use the trimmer, and if necessary, we can use the straight razor to make it sharper as well. The beard trim. Step 1, the fade, using the clippers with guard attachments. Step 2, we establish and trim the length on the chin. If we're going to use guard attachments, it would go up to a 3/4 of an inch, which is a number 6, or less than that. And if it's more than that, more than 1 inch long, we use the clipper with no guard on it, open blade, and we sculpt and shape the beard. Step 3, we blend the fade into the chin area using the clippers with guards if it's number 6 or less, 3/4 of an inch or less. And if it's more than that, then the same way we establish sculpting and shaping the beard with no guard, we just basically shape it using that same method. Step 4, we outline the sideburn into the cheek area, we do the mustache, and we do the bottom of the neck and the back of the beard here. We use this using trimmers, and then we also follow it up with the razor to get the maximum sharpest lines. One side note that we have is for the bottom of the neck, we can use the razor. However, we find that a lot of people's skin is very, very sensitive, so we just use the shaver, which will bring down the hair to the same level, a 000, as the razor. And this is very quick, it takes no prep time at all, and it just helps keep the client's skin feeling good and fresh and no irritation. Great.